Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a tutorial on how to part and cornrow the zigzag look into your cornrow style. So make sure you watch to the end and let's get into it. Now let's get into the fun part, the zigzag parting. This step takes some patience because clean lines are key to making your zigzag look great. I'm using a rat tail comb as you can see, and I'll be using a conditioning gel to get those sharp defined sections. So the trick here is to take your time and make sure each section is even for that perfect zigzag. Rushing this process will make your zigzag look funny, so take your time. Patience is key. You don't have to rush it, just take your time to make sure that you are getting it right. That's all that matters. So as you can see, I'm trying to see if the parting are looking equal, because you have to make sure that you have equal parts, equal sectioning for your zigzag cornrows. It is very key. Do not skip that part, because when you start doing the cornrows, it's going to affect how it looks if your partings are not sectioned correctly. While this is going on, if you're new here, please do well to subscribe and turn on that notification for weekly braiding tutorials. Do not forget to also like, comment and share. Share to your friends, share to your family members, anyone that have interest in braiding tutorials, and we love to learn a new skill every week. So to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for returning. I really appreciate you guys. So let's get back into the video. As you can see, I am still making sure the lines are good. Please, like I said earlier, take your time so your cornrows can come out perfect. With the parts done, it's time to start braiding. We will be following the zigzag pattern, but before we get there, if you're braiding on yourself, take your time. Consistency is everything. You want your braids to turn out good and uniform, so don't rush it. You can see I started with a natural hair first. I will keep doing that until it's time to add extensions. Please watch closely how much hair I'm adding to the extension. It is very important. So when it gets to that point where I start adding the braiding hair right here, you have to make sure you're seeing how much hair I'm putting in it, because it is as tiny as possible. Like, you don't want to put too much extension, because if you start out with that, it's going to make your cornrows bulky, and we don't want bulky cornrows. And we're also following the pattern of the cornrows that I already have. Like, you can see the cornrows I already have there, so it's not bulky cornrows. So you have to follow the pattern of the kind of cornrows that you already have. Let's say, for example, you're having zigzag all over your braids. You still have to add the extensions little by little, because you don't want to add extensions bulky at the beginning, so that way you don't have bulky cornrows. So I don't know if you can see clearly. I know you can see clearly because this video is zoomed in. The way I'm adding my cornrows and the way I'm moving my ends. You don't have to have the pinky nails to get this done. You can just have like your regular nails. Like I said earlier, portion control is very important. At this point, I will let you continue watching my hand movements. I will now go ahead and finish the remaining cornrows so you can see the finished look. So this particular cornrows I'm about to do, I don't have the full clip of me doing it, but I have the video of me parting it. So you can see how I parted the cornrows, and you're going to see how it looks after doing the cornrows. So now we're on the last cornrow and we're about to get to the end of this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments if you love this video, if you love my technique, or you love whatever you love about this video. Let me know in the comment section. If you have any suggestions, please let me know also. I'll be reading the comments and I'll be replying to every single comment. Once all the cornrows are done, you can go ahead and add mousse, oil for the scalp, dip the ends in hot water to put it all together. And there you have it. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you will try this yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.